Greetings. My name is Lakshmi Chandane and I am a student in Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management. In this video, I will be talking about Germany. Germany is a Western European country with a landscape of forest, rivers, mountain ranges and North Sea beaches. This is a map of Germany. Germany, officially the Federal Republic of Germany, is a sovereign state in Central Europe, bordered in the north by the North Sea, the Baltic Sea, and Denmark, in the west by the Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, and France, in the south by Switzerland and Austria, and in the east by Czechia and Poland. Additionally, the country shares borders with Sweden and the United Kingdom. Talking about the flag of Germany. The flag of Germany is a tricolor consisting of three equal horizontal bands displaying the national colors of Germany: black, red, and gold. The flag was first sighted in 1848 in the German Confederation, with it being officially adopted as the national flag of the Weimar Republic from 1919 to 1933 and again being in use since its reintroduction in West Germany back in 1949. The capital of Germany is Berlin and the currency used is euro. 1 euro is equals to 88.39 Indian rupee. The official language spoken in Germany is German language. Coming to special facts of Germany. Germany was the first country in the world to adopt daylight saving time. This occurred in 1916 in the middle of WWI and was put in place to conserve energy. College education in Germany is free even for internationals. Tuition fees for bachelor's degree in public universities was abolished in 2014 due to politicians thinking that having to pay for higher education as socially unjust. One third of Germany is still covered in forest and woodlands. In Germany, there is no punishment for a prisoner who tries to escape from jail because it is basic human instinct to be free. According to Google, Berlin, Hamburg, and Munich are the three major cities of Germany. Now let's talk about the famous German traditional food. Rouladen. Rouladen is a delicious blend of bacons, onions, mustard, and pickles wrapped together in sliced beef or veal. Spargel. Germans are mad about white asparagus. As soon as harvest time arrives around mid-April, asparagus dishes appear on the menus of restaurants all over Germany. Reibekuchen. Fried potato pancakes are so popular in Germany that they have more than 40 names. It is often served with applesauce on black pumpernickel rye bread. Rollmops. Rollmops are cooked or fried and then pickled herring fillets rolled around a savory filling like a pickled gherkin or green olive with pimento. Spaghetti ice. Spaghetti ice is an ice cream dish made to look like a plate of spaghetti. Vanilla ice cream is pressed through a modified noodle press or potato ricer. It is then placed over whipped cream and topped with strawberry sauce representing tomato sauce and white chocolate shavings on the parmesan. The famous tourist destinations of Germany. Berlin's Brandenburg Gate. Berlin's Brandenburg Gate was modeled on the Acropolis in Athens and built for King Frederick William II in 1791. The monument sandstone Brandenburg Gate in Berlin's Mitte district was the city's first neoclassical structure. It measures an impressive 26 meters in height, including the quadriga, the spectacular four-horse chariot carrying the goddess of victory perched at top. The Black Forest. The beautiful Black Forest, with its dark, densely wooded hills, is one of the most visited upland regions in all of Europe. Cologne Cathedral. The towering Cologne Cathedral, the Cathedral of St. Peter and St. Mary, is located on the banks of the Rhine and is undoubtedly Cologne's most impressive landmark. Miniature Wonderland and the historic port of Hamburg. In the heart of historic port of Hamburg, the magnificent miniature wonderland, the world's largest model railway, is an attraction that appeals equally to young and old alike. Boasting more than 12,000 meters of track, this massive scale model includes sections dedicated to the USA, England, and Scandinavia and incorporates 890 trains, more than 3 lakh lights, and in excess of 2 lakh human figures. Berlin's Museum Island. Berlin's Museum Island lies between the River Spree and the Kupfergraben, a 400-meter long canal of the river. This excellent attraction includes many of the city's oldest and most important museums. Thank you.